52, it was Gandhi who said to the Christians, I like your Christ, but I don't like the Christians, for they are so unlike Christ. Long before people hear your titles or what you're representing, there should be something convincing about your life that makes them want to be like you, that makes them desire to be around you. In order to be an ambassador, a good representative of Jesus, it's not about leading with, I'm a Christian or I'm over this ministry. It's not about giving all your titles or your doctorate's degrees. It's about the convincing life. When you show up, does the room change? When you're there, does it make a difference? We're not just talking who can quote the best verses. When it comes to work ethic, do you change your job environment? Is Thanksgiving not the same when you're around? Far too many of us lead with our titles. I'm a minister. Day one on the job, I'm a Christian. We should let our character speak for us. Because as Paul said in 1 Corinthians chapter 11, follow me as I follow Christ. Because the convincing life is one that looks so good, one that it's such a joy to be around you. We experience the love of God. For it's the goodness of God that brings men and women to repentance. So if your best selling point is I believe in Jesus, but you're the nastiest person on your workplace or the hardest person to get along with in the grocery store, then let's take a look at our life this week and re-examine how we represent what we believe 7 days a week and not just bring our title from Sunday to Saturday. Thank you, Group 52. Lead with love and have the best week of your life.